worst travel thing is happening to me right now. I think I got sick with some kind of weird flu. And it's just the worst when you travel. Because you basically can't just stay in your own bed and watch Netflix for a couple days. My only hope right now is that I get better by the time we take the car to Berlin. Because even worse is when you're sick on some kind of bus or some like public transport and you're just sneezing and people just hate you and you hate yourself, and oh my god, I hope I get better. So I don't know what kind of vlog is gonna be today because I'm not like the most energetic person right now. I think I'm just gonna take it easy. Maybe like gonna go get some fresh air, ride the bike to some coffee shop, upload some vlogs, because at least there's that. Maybe if I don't have the energy to walk around and enjoy the city, I still have the energy to catch up on my backlog of vlogs. It doesn't feel too serious, so hopefully in like a couple days I'll be fine. To be honest, I feel a little bit like a sick grandma, but we came to sit at the bench looking over the Vistula River and just drinking some club mate. Actually, it is helping me feel better, just sitting on the sun. I think the bike ride helped a bit, but then we went to have lunch at this really cute little coffee shop called Mucha Niesiada or something like that. And I don't know, I'm back to feeling like shit now. So I think now we're just gonna walk to the river and see if we can maybe fly the drone or something and just kind of walk around in the sun. I feel like that should help. We're on the other side of the Vistula River right now, and I think this might be a good spot for a little drone flight. I mean, we'll see, but it looks pretty cool from here. You can see the big buildings, the old town. Problem is, the sun is always at the spot I want to film towards. It's so frustrating.